friends, in this video we are going to see the chemical property of carbon monoxide. In our last video we have finished the physical property. Now we'll do the chemical property of carbon monoxide here. Okay, do remember carbon monoxide is combustible in nature. It burns in air with a pale blue flame. My observing question: name a gas which burns with air with pale blue flame. Answer: carbon monoxide. Otherwise I may ask you, carbon monoxide burns in air and gives dash color flames. Answer is pale blue flame, but it is not supporter of combustion. Now, do remember carbon dioxide is non-combustible, non-supporter of combustion, whereas carbon monoxide is combustible but non-supporter of combustion. It does not undergo thermal decomposition, means it is stable and it is neutral compound, whereas carbon dioxide is acidic compound, carbon dioxide is acidic, carbon monoxide is neutral, remember. Now, let us see some of its reaction with different gases and compounds. When carbon monoxide reacts with oxygen, when carbon monoxide reacts with oxygen, reaction with oxygen, air means oxygen, okay, because this is the active part of air. Even air contains nitrogen, but it does not react with carbon monoxide. So inside air, oxygen reacts, so air means oxygen. So when carbon monoxide burns with oxygen, you get carbon dioxide. CO plus O will give you CO2, then you can balance it. 2C balance, 2 plus 2, 4O, 2 2s are 4O balance. And it is an exothermic reaction because heat will get liberated. Liberates heating. Okay, heat is liberated, so therefore it is exothermic reaction. Next, the reaction with hydrogen. Whenever carbon monoxide reacts with hydrogen in presence of catalyst like zinc oxide at 450 degrees Celsius, when carbon monoxide reacts with hydrogen in presence of zinc oxide at 450 degrees Celsius, we get this compound CH3OH, and this compound is referred by the name methyl alcohol. So this compound is referred by the name methyl alcohol. So you can remember this way. This CH3 is referred as methyl, OH means alcohol, so we call it methyl alcohol. So when carbon monoxide reacts with hydrogen, what you get is methyl alcohol, and the catalyst uses zinc oxide. So do remember this. Now reaction with nickel, no need to study, you will study in higher class. Even no need to go with this reaction. With reaction with steam, reaction with ammonical chloride, okay, no need to go through it, not required. Now this is little bit important. Do remember in chemistry, carbon monoxide acts as reducing agent. So since it is a reducing agent, its job is to remove oxygen from the compound. So it removes oxygen from here. So as it removes oxygen from here, zinc will be left alone and you get CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Similarly here, it removes oxygen and it leaves behind iron. Fe means iron, and you get CO2. Then you can balance it, 2 iron balance. And you can see here is 3 carbon, here is 3 carbon balance. Oxygen 3 2 is 6, oxygen here is 3, here is 3 6. So in both these two reactions, carbon monoxide acts as a reducing agent, and the job of it is to remove oxygen from metals like zinc and iron. So this reaction is very important, so to remember. So this is all about its chemical properties, students. Carbon monoxide does not turn lime water milky. Lime water means calcium hydroxide. What is the formula of lime water? CaOH whole 2. So CaOH whole 2 is called lime water, also known by the name slake lime, and this gives milkiness appearance with carbon dioxide. So when you pass carbon dioxide out here, lime water turns milky, but not when you pass carbon monoxide. So difference between is very simple. So how will you differentiate between carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide? So you can say that carbon dioxide turns lime water milky, whereas carbon monoxide fails to do so. It does not turn lime water milky. That means how to test it then in the lab, whether that is carbon monoxide or not. So what you have to do, you have to do two-step reaction here. First of all, you will react carbon monoxide with oxygen to convert to carbon dioxide. And as carbon monoxide converts to carbon dioxide, then we pass lime water, which will also turn milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate, which is insoluble white color. Milkiness will appear. So do remember, carbon dioxide turns lime water milky directly, and it has a direct test, but carbon monoxide does not have direct test. First you have to convert carbon monoxide to carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide by reacting with oxygen. Once it becomes carbon dioxide, then you pass lime water, it turns milky. So it is the indirect test for carbon monoxide. Okay, and this is very important, students. I'll explain you further later. Now that we go to the uses of carbon monoxide as a fuel. It is combustible and release a large amount of heat. So therefore, since it produces large amount of heat, combustible, so it can be used as fuel. Next, in extraction of metals, you know that it acts as a reducing agent. It helps to remove oxygen from metal oxide, it has to remove oxygen. So as it removes oxygen from it, this is called iron 3 oxide. The valency of iron out here is 3, so this is called iron 3 oxide. Okay, when it reacts with iron 3 oxide, and this 2 is the valency of oxygen, 3 is the valency of iron, 2 is the valency of oxygen, crisscross method. So carbon monoxide being a reducing agent, when it reacts with metal oxide, it removes oxygen because it is a reducing agent, whereby we can extract metal like iron from it. Okay, and the gas which we get out is carbon dioxide gas, then you can balance. So name the gas formed when carbon monoxide reacts with iron 3 oxide. So answer is carbon dioxide. And it is even used in the preparation of an alcohol known by the name methyl alcohol, because I have shown you this reaction earlier. So whenever carbon monoxide reacts with hydrogen in presence of zinc oxide at 450 degrees Celsius, we get methyl alcohol. So number 3 uses, it is used in the preparation of methyl alcohol. So name a gas which is used in the preparation of methyl alcohol. Answer carbon monoxide. And it is a reducing agent. It removes oxygen from metal oxide and converts it to metal. And always remember, carbon monoxide converts to carbon dioxide, students. And do remember, carbon dioxide directly turns lime water milky. It's a direct test for it. But for carbon monoxide, if you pass lime water, it will not convert to milkiness. To do so, first you will react with oxygen to convert to carbon dioxide. Then, once it becomes carbon dioxide, then we again pass lime water, which will give you milkiness appearance. Now, let us see the 2 questions related to this. So just now I said the gas produced when carbon monoxide reacts with iron 3 oxide, Fe2O3, when reacts with Cu. I have shown you in the previous page, so we get carbon dioxide gas. So by this, question number 1 answer all complete. So you can mark it in the book, you can learn it from the book. Even question number 2, everything is complete. Question number 3, no need to do. Question number 4, everything is complete. Okay, except 3 no need to do. Now question number 5, we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, only which was left? This last one. And after I explain this, the whole thing from this objective type question is over. Even the chapter will get over, students. So this is the last question of the chapter, and do make the notes. Lime water finds application for testing both carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide gas individually. Carbon dioxide turns lime water milky, but carbon monoxide does not. But first of all, when you react it with oxygen, carbon monoxide will convert to carbon dioxide. Again, when we pass lime water, it turns milky. So that is how you have to write. So give reason. So you have to say lime water give direct test and it turns lime water milky, whereas carbon monoxide does not. But then what we have to do is, first we convert carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide by reacting with oxygen by the reaction I have shown you just a while ago. Then again, when we pass lime water, it also gives milkiness appearance. That you have to write. It is in page number 116. So students, by this we come to the end of the chapter now. So we have done everything about this chapter. I have explained everything from the objective type question. Whichever I have said not to study, no need to study those. Others you have to. Okay. So thank you very much.